Alright guys, check out this bug bite thing. It's a really cool suction device that suctions out insect saliva or venom. So if you get bit by mosquitoes a lot, this thing could come in real handy. I was super excited when I got this thing. So what's really cool about it is it comes with a reversible end. So you could, if you have a big bug bite, you could suction out with this end. Or if you have a smaller one and get bit on the ankles a lot like I do, then the small end works better to get those small bites on the ankles. So what you do is you put it up against your bug bite. I already got bit on the ankle, and what I'm gonna do is this needs to be down all the way, and then you just slowly pull it up and it suctions, and then you're supposed to hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, and then you just release it so it unsuctions and remove it, and then you can see it kind of makes a little swelling thing right there where all the venom and saliva will come out. And then also make sure that you don't use this on your neck or your face because it might make it look like you got a hickey. So I advise you not to do that.